welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So today we are going to talk about powder foundation. So a lot of people out there have questions about powder foundation. Can you use it for your skin? How should you use it? How does it make you look flawless? Since a lot of people cannot use powder foundation. When they use it, their face looks extremely cakey. So today we are going to discuss about how powder foundation can be applied without it looking cakey on your face, and at the same time it looks absolutely flawless in the summer season. So as I mentioned, the first step to powder foundation is prepping your skin. So let me show you how I prep my skin before applying this foundation. I'm starting to prep my skin with the Olay Moisturizer, which is the night cream, which I apply, which is thick in consistency, but once you apply it on your face, it's extremely moisturizing. You need to moisturize your skin extremely well for the powder foundation to glide onto your skin, so your skin is extremely supple to take that kind of a foundation. After moisturizing my skin, I'm using a primer. I have open pores on my skin, so the primer makes the foundation glide even more better onto your skin after the moisturizer. After priming my skin, I will be using an under eye cream. Since powder foundation is extremely dry, an under eye cream makes your skin look nice and glowy. For the powder foundation, I'm using the Lancome foundation, which is in a powder form. Now before applying this foundation, I've made the brush extremely wet because that makes the foundation stick to the brush, and then it's easier to apply onto your skin. That's the way I like to apply the powder foundation onto my skin. Powder foundation can often look cakey onto the skin and can make your skin look extremely dry. So you need to blend this foundation into your skin extremely well, and you need to buff it in your skin. Since I'm showing you my powder foundation routine, I've applied the powder foundation onto my eyelids as well, since I'm not applying a concealer. Powder foundation can often stick to your eyebrows, which I am seeing in my powder foundation routine as well. So taking a tissue paper, I will just clean my eyebrows. To conceal my under eyes, I'm using this brightening powder from this contour kit. I'm using both these colors that you can see to make my under eyes a little more lighter. I am using the beauty blender now to remove any excess powder of my skin. Now I am using this same contour palette to contour my cheeks. After applying the contour, now I'm highlighting my face yet again with another powder formula from MAC. A little blush to add that pink glow onto my face. And then to make all the powder formula settle onto my skin, I'm using my holy grail product, which I am in love with these days, which is the CAKEY Micro Finish Makeup Spray. And here is my final look with the powder foundation. If you can see, the powder foundation has settled onto my skin. If you did like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys the next time.